Welcome back, good buyers. Today I'm going to give you 5 useful tips on your Redmi Note 7. Some of you may already know some of these tips, some may not, so please watch the video. There are times that you need to do a quick screenshot of your screen. The old way is pressing and holding the volume down and power button simultaneously. And the other one is to swipe down the screen and click the screenshot icon. But there is a faster and more convenient way to do that. Just simply swiping down the screen with your 3 fingers. Taking a selfie and pressing the shutter button is quite difficult. But did you know that you could use the rear fingerprint scanner in your Redmi Note 7 for more than just unlocking the device? You can also use it as a shutter button while in a camera app, a handy feature to have especially while taking selfies. Make sure to enable the option from the settings menu of the camera app. To enable it, click the camera, go to settings, scroll down, then enable fingerprint shutter. Flip to silence incoming calls. Here's a quick way to silence incoming calls on your Redmi Note 7. Simply put the phone face down on a table, or flip it face down if it's already on a flat surface. The flip to silence gesture is not enabled by default, so you will have to enable it. Go to Settings, Apps, System App Settings, Call Settings, Incoming Call Settings. Just enable the flip to silence ringer option from there. Opening the camera apps in Redmi Note 7 is a bit of a hassle while you're on the lock screen. Did you know that you can do a shortcut to launch the camera app? Not as fast as the physical shortcut key, like double pressing the power button, which is found on some of the other Android devices. This option is present on the Redmi Note 7 as well. It is disabled by default though. To enable it, go to the Settings, Additional Settings, Button Shortcuts, Launch Camera, and then select from the options. With the dual SIM capability on the Redmi Note 7, many users would like to be active on 2 WhatsApp copies or apps like Facebook, Instagram, with their personal and work profile. With the dual apps feature on MIUI 10 on the Redmi Note 7, you can easily create 2 copies of an app and use them independently of each other. If you want to enable it, go to the Settings, Apps, Dual Apps, and enable the toggle for any of the installed apps which you'd like to have 2 separate copies installed. Hope you like the tips I shared. Till next time, good buyers, subscribe.